If you want to win this £6,000 bike from Hope Technologies, Ceratizit UK Ireland are giving this away at MACH. What do people need to do?
Yes, Mark, we're giving this away on the Monday of MACH, 4th of April at 2 o'clock. Katie Archibald, Olympic gold medalist, is going to do the prize draw. So some lucky winner will win this bike. What they need to do is visit our Just Giving website, donations to Cancer Research UK and British Heart Foundation. All the proceeds go to those two charities. Enter the draw there and come along to the exhibition. You could be picking yourself up a Hope HB-130 mountain bike worth over £6,000, made in this facility in Barnaldrick with our cutting tools.
What a great opportunity to win this £6,000 bike courtesy of Ceratizit UK and Ireland. Join MTD CNC on our live platforms on the 4th of April at 2 o'clock to find out who wins.